Hello everybody, we're going to go through this video on how to set up GitHub using SSH key instead of the old way. The old way, you could easily go to like Sandbox right here. You could come up and choose HTTPS, but it doesn't work anymore. So we need to do SSH. So we need to set up a key. So if you come up here and go to settings, and then we come down here and do SH keys and GPG keys. So what we need to do is set up that key first. So let's go. I'm using a Mac, so I'm going to pull in terminal. I don't want that one, so I'm going to create a new account. So let's do this. So let's do a directory. Let's go to documents. There we go, clear it out. And I'm actually going to type in this command. Oops, make it bigger so you can see it. SSH, can't say it, keygen, -t, RSA, -b, 4096, and then -c, and then put your email address as associated with your account. Oops, let's make sure I got it right. So what I'm going to do here is .edu. There we go. All right, so you get this message right here. You just hit enter again, boom, pulls up this information and gives you your location. So what I'll do is if you're using a Mac or if you're PC, same thing. I'll come up here, search, pulls up this right here. So we have two keys, ID, RSA, and pub. So RSA is your private key, pub is your public key. So we want to open that, and let's do other. Let's see if I can find Sublime. You could do any editor, you could do Notepad, you could do text, whatever. So I'm just using something that I have. So I have my key right here. So I want to grab my entire key, which I think it's just this right here. I don't know if I need that. I'm just going to copy it all for a moment. I'm going to come here and do new key. I'll just call it WLU. And I'll paste that whole thing in there and do add key. All right, enter my password. All right, so now we have a key set up. This shows you how to set up the key. So this should allow us to start doing stuff on here. So let's see if we have our repository real quick. So profile, go to here. We'll just do Sandbox. This should allow you to do something. So I'll do SSH. I cannot talk at all. Copy. All right, so let me pull up terminal. I'm gonna pull up a different window for terminal real quick. And let's pull up a new window. Let's find a Git repository. There we go. Let's set up a make directory. We'll call it WLU SSH, just a test. Oh, it already exists. We'll call it 2. Oh, I don't like when that happens. All right, so it's pulling up my quote, so that's not what I want. So let's do this real quick. Exit out of there, hit new. CD documents /get. And we'll say SSH. We'll just call it SSH test. All right, there we go. CD SSH test. There we go. We're CD into it. Clear it. And what we're doing is we're just pasting in this information here. All right, no such file or directory. All right, what does that mean? All right. That's what we just did. Paste that in there real quick. No such file or directory. And this right here will not work. I'm pretty sure that won't work. Paste it in there, move it will, since I did that. Let's create a new repository. Maybe it's something I'm doing wrong. So let's just new repo. I'll call it test. 2. We'll just make it public for now. All right. So that does exist. Clear it. All right. Paste it. Huh, that's weird. Continued it, and I actually was able to get it to work. So what was different is I had to follow these steps here. And this is the key. Once you have your library set up, you want to follow these steps right here. You want to initialize your repositories. This is backwards of what you typically do. I did an echo just to test it out, which was README. Then I did my commit, and it committed it. And then I pushed it out by doing git branch -m. And then I did a git remote at origin. And this right here actually worked. So I'll just put this right here. I'm gonna copy this because you want to put this. And if I go out to my test 2, you see my read files out there, so it does work that way. That's how you want to do it moving forward. Now, does that mean that I have to, anytime I add a new file, I have to do it? So you have to add it locally. So let me show you. Let's try it again. It should be synced up now. So let's pull up terminal real quick. Oops, not that one. Oh, that one right there. I just seen it. Okay. So I'm right here. If I do, let me just do ls. If I do touch, and we'll call it test.txt, and if I do get status, shows I have something, so I'll get that. Add it, get status, it should be fine. Okay, perfect. Now I could do commit, add a new file, blah blah blah. Perfect. Then I should be able, let's try this git push origin like that. And there you go. I pushed it because that original one was just a test. And look at that, we have our test file. That's how you get to work through the SSH. If you have any questions, problems, reach out to me. I'll send you all that information. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.